Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. In this video, I'm going to go over the quantity break display page and custom pricing. Custom pricing lets you tailor the appearance of the quantity break grid and cart page banner to better align with your store's branding. Custom pricing provides 6 pre-designed grid templates, fully customizable with options such as language settings, colors, margins, and padding. For total flexibility, you can also add in your own CSS. That said, let's walk through the setup of the settings page. From the custom pricing admin, navigate to quantity break display. In the first section, the quantity break grid style settings allows you to choose from 6 pre-made grid templates. You can also use HTML code for a custom grid or display a message. Select the grid style that works best for your quantity break offerings. The grid style you choose is shown in the preview below. In the next section, you can customize the language used in the quantity breaks grid. The language fields that appear in your grid are dependent on your grid style. The next section, titled Quantity Break Grid, allows you to change the styling of the grid. The first setting in this section, titled Display Base Price and Quantity, shows or removes the first row of your quantity break grid that displays the cost of one item. If this option is enabled, the first row appears, while disabling this option removes the first row. The second setting, titled Override Standard Grid Style, allows you to access and customize the grid style settings using the styling settings that appear below. Enable this setting to customize the grid style using the color platelets and pixel settings shown below. In the last section, titled Cart Language, allows you to customize the banner and text that displays your customer savings in the cart page. Customize the text, color platelets, and pixel settings as desired, then click Save at the bottom of the page to save your changes. Once the page is saved, navigate to a product page on your storefront to view the quantity breaks grid. Add a product with a quantity rule into the cart page to view the cart banner. And that's all there is to it. For more information on custom pricing, please visit our help center at supports.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.